This video demonstrates chart of accounts under management. It is an account index consisting of different account types such as customer, supplier, customer or supplier when a supplier may be customer as well or vice versa, employee, cash, bank, income, expense, asset, liability, owner equity, branch. In the main chart of accounts dashboard, click on the green Add New Account button to add an account type. If a customer, supplier, customer or supplier or employee is selected, you can enter their details such as address, city, phone, mobile, GST number, NTN number. If an account has starting balance, it can be entered in opening balance. The payable amount should be entered as a negative figure with minus sign. Receivable amount can be entered without any sign. Any account that is no longer used can be hidden from entry forms by checking close or hide this account. The entries can be organized into ascending or descending order by clicking on small two-way arrows at the top of each column header. Use the Edit button to edit chart of account entry. Accounts below code 100 are system reserved accounts and should not be edited. Delete button deletes an entry. Any account that has transactions cannot be deleted. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.